Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I'm going to talk about SEBI Legal Phase 2 exam. We'll be discussing Phase 2 cutoffs. We'll have a look at mark sheets of last year's selected candidates. Also, Paper 1 has 1/3 weightage, Paper 2 has 2/3 weightage. We'll try to understand the meaning of this weightage criteria. Starting with the exam pattern, in Phase 2, Paper 1 is descriptive English, where you will have essay, précis and comprehension. This is 1 hour paper. The cutoff is 30%, but cutoff doesn't play much of a role. इससे कम नहीं जाना चाहिए, but cutoff इससे काफी ऊपर ही जाती है. The weightage is 1/3. Then you have paper 2, which has two parts: objective questions and descriptive questions. 70 MCQs and 3 descriptive questions of total 100 marks. This paper is of 2 hours. The weightage is 2/3 for this paper. Aggregate cutoff 50% है, but cutoff काफी high जाती है. Phase 2 का सिलेबस भी क्लियरली डिफाइंड है. क्रिमिनल लॉ इज देयर, लॉ ऑफ एविडेंस, कॉर्पोरेट लॉ एंड सिक्योरिटीज लॉ. Total 70 questions are there in MCQ part. Out of these 70, 21 are expected from this area, 21 from corporate law and 28 from securities laws. The cutoffs of phase 2 over the past 3 years is as shown on the screen. 2023 में पैटर्न चेंज हुआ था, तब 65.5 कट ऑफ गई थी. In 2020, 68.33 was the phase 2 cutoff. 2022 में 67.67. कट ऑफ इसी की रेंज में एक्सपेक्टेड है, समवेयर 68 to 70 के बीच में आप इस बार कट ऑफ एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट मार्क शीट्स एंड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दी 1/3 2/3 क्राइटेरिया. दिस इज द सेबी लीगल 2023 मार्क शीट ऑफ रैंक 1 होल्डर. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे, दिस पर्सन गॉट 52 मार्क्स इन डिस्क्रिप्टिव इंग्लिश. डिस्क्रिप्टिव इंग्लिश में कम मार्क्स थे, बट पेपर 2 में काफ़ी अच्छे मार्क्स थे, 20 इन डिस्क्रिप्टिव लीगल एंड 60.25 in the MCQs. Now this paper 1 is given 1/3 weightage. 52 is multiplied by 1/3 and it becomes 17.33. Paper 2 is given 2/3 weightage. So adding these two, which will form 80.25, this is multiplied by 2/3 and this becomes this. So here, when you add these two, this becomes 70.83. With respect to this, after weightage criteria of paper 1 and paper 2, the total phase 2 score out of 100 is calculated, where the cutoff was 65.5. The student got 70.83 marks. Then the maximum marks for interview are 15. The student got 12.75 marks out of 15 in interview. This 70.83 is given 85% weightage, as the phase 2 has 85% weightage. This is done by multiplying this term 70.85 into 0.85. So you multiply with 0.85 and you reach to this score. In this, the interview marks are added and the total overall score is calculated. This was the overall cutoff in 2023. So similarly, I will show you a few more mark sheets. You can understand how much was the score of various candidates who were selected in 2023. This is the scorecard of rank 2 holder. In descriptive English, he got 50, while in paper 2, he got quite good marks, 83.5. So his total phase 2 score was 72.34. The marks obtained in interview were 11.13 and the total marks were 72.61. The cutoffs were 65.5 and 69.61. So in this way you can get an idea. See, somewhere I will suggest target 55, 58 marks, in fact near to 60 in the English descriptive paper. Somewhere in the range of 58 to 65 is a good enough score, and in paper 2 target somewhere 75 to 80. Now if you are not confident about English descriptive, and if you lose some marks in English descriptive as these rank 1 and rank 2 holders, then you will have to compensate it in paper 2. So in that case, if you score below 55 in descriptive English, target in the range of 80 to 85 for the legal portion, somewhere near 85. Then let's have a look at some other mark sheets for unreserved category. This was paper 1 descriptive English, 52 was the score, MCQ 62.75, descriptive paper here 15. So overall 69.16 when the cutoff was 65.5. This marks obtained in interview were 11. So total score becomes 69.7. Similarly, another mark sheet which is similar to the cutoff, because the cutoff was 69.61. This must have been the rank 10 or rank 11 holder. This student got 53 in paper 1, 57.5 in MCQs and 17 in the descriptive paper. So overall, MCQ portion was fine, but look at the score in the interview. The marks obtained in interview were quite good. 12.38 were the marks obtained in interview. So just have a look at the various mark sheets and try to understand how much score you should be targeting. This is another mark sheet of SC candidate. This student performed very well in the phase 2 exam. 60 in descriptive English, and overall 74.75 in the legal portion, but he lost quite some marks in the interview. So if you do very well in phase 2, it's fine even if you perform average in the interview. Then coming to the next one for OBC candidate, this has been one of the mark sheets. You can have a look. The cutoff was 61.66 and 64.01. So these have been the various mark sheets. I hope this has given you some idea on how much marks you should be targeting. You should perform quite well in phase 2 and then decently in interview. I'm again saying in descriptive English you can target somewhere 55 to 65 range, more towards 60. In paper 2, in the MCQ portion, out of 70, target somewhere 60 to 63. Try to stay above 60. And in descriptive paper, try to get somewhere 20-21 marks. So that will be a good enough score. And then in interview, you can get 10-11 marks and you will be confident to clear the exam. Here, if you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment below. Last year, there were 25 vacancies and 12 of the students who got selected as SEBI legal officers were from iExamB. We are very grateful to be a part of successful journeys of so many students, and we have been guiding students for their dream of SEBI legal over the past 3 years. If you are looking for any phase 2 content material, you can check out the SEBI Grade A phase 2 online course, in which you will find 10 mock tests for paper 2 and 5 mock tests for paper 1. Apart from that, there are many video lessons, study notes, chapter test, section test, live classes. Everything is available in a single course. Therefore, enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. You can write your queries in the comment below, or you can also call us on this number to know more about the course offerings. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.